Esse próximo vídeo vem do canal Fred McKinney, onde ele vai atrás de tornados e mostra para nós como que é ser um caçador de tornado. É 16 de junho de 2025 e um poderoso tornado está pousando em Minnesota. Ele vai pela Floresta do Norte. Há apenas um problema para eles. Há uma chance de tornado de 2% está se instalando em Nebraska. Alguns modelos mostram um ambiente extremamente instável, ao longo de um limite de saída, deixado para trás pelas tempestades matinais. Este limite está se movendo para um alvo perfeito, apenas alguns quilômetros de largura, iniciando o desenvolvimento de uma tempestade explosiva.
We are live here. Believe we are live. Welcome in, everybody. Sorry for the wait. I think we could be talking ourselves. A really substantial storm here. There's that bowl, chat.
I do see a little bowl, so I guess we got a tornado on the ground.
Yep, we got tornado. I think we got a possible tornado in progress.
Uma supercélula monstruosa está tomando forma, e o limite está jogando outro truque. A tempestade se liga ao limite, forçando uma área de rotação até a superfície. Um tornado está pousando bem na frente deles.
Dude, gotta find a close range opportunity here. Oh my freaking gosh, dude. It's right next to the road. I see debris.
Yeah, there's debris.
Yep, debris. We're almost on it. It's right on the road. It's right on the road. Dude, the funnel's right overhead.
Jeez.
The funnel's right overhead. We're almost in it. Almost inside the tornado here. Oh my gosh, dude. Here we are. Slowing down. Jeez. I'm gonna shut these wipers off. It's right here. Oh, we're right in it. We're almost in it. It's coming back at us. Got to back up. It's coming back at us. We're in the tornado right now. Getting hit by debris. It's coming back at us. Watch it hit that tree. Oh, it's getting strong. Yep, but might blow a side window here.
Yep. Dude, look at that thing.
Oh my freaking gosh, Eli. You've gotta be kidding me, dude!
Look at this thing!
It's just sitting here on the road! It's just sitting here on the road, man! There it is, coming up to the... Oh, look overhead! Go, look straight up.
Oh, yeah.
Look at the funnel overhead. Point it up. Oh my gosh, it's coming down.
Come on, please.
It's trying to condense right here, basically inside the tornado.
Dude.
That is strong.
This thing is huge.
Look at it, it's coming down. It's coming down. It's condensing.
I think it's almost all the way.
Yeah, it's coming all the way down. It's about to fully condense here.
Dude!
It's about to fully condense here in a second.
I think
it's down. Oh, it's getting strong!
This is nuts!
This is actually insane, bro. This is actually insane. I think we nailed the forecast, Charlie. All of a sudden, I don't really care about the Minnesota tornado. This is insane, dude!
Look at it spin!
Dude, there's a land spout behind it. There is a land spout behind freaking land spout behind this thing. There's two tornadoes. Look at the pipe coming in.
Com um tornado não totalmente condensado, eles têm dificuldade em medir a verdadeira largura do campo de vento tornádico que se expande além dos seus veículos. Uma cortina de vento, conhecida como jato de influxo, está disparando na direção deles chuvas de pedras, a velocidades superiores a 100 milhas por hora.
Oh. There goes the side window. That was terrifying. I already lost the side window. Side window's gone. We lost the side window, chat. We lost it. Show the window real quick. It's gone.
He also lost the side window.
He did too?
Yep.
Alright, at least we're not the only ones here. Freaking Nebraska, dude.
This is insane.
Freaking Nebraska, bro.
This is insane.
I can't believe this. I'm showered in glass and debris right now. Look at it overhead.
I know.
Lost the side window. Side window's cooked. Got big hail coming down, though. I'm gonna get back in the car.
Enquanto o tornado se move para um campo, Connor, Crawford e Stormrunner média param ao lado deles. Enquanto lutaram para encontrar o próximo movimento,
Freaking YouTube video in the making right here. Gotta make sure these cameras are good.
Dude, it's strong on the ground again.
Oh my gosh, this is insane. Oh my gosh, chat, this is incredible.
You can hear it. It's getting stronger.
I love you, Garrett.
Woo!
Oh, dude, look at the freaking... It's turning colors.
It is turning colors.
Freaking turning like... It's freaking
Dude.
turning, bro.
Look at that.
It just huffed another huge stone, Freddie.
Did it really?
Yeah.
Pick up the
Oh,
hail! Dude, there's gotta be a south option somewhere.
You look, I'm gonna keep showing them off.
There is, if we go a little bit. Wait, I got an idea.
com o tornado se movendo para o sul e sua janela estourada, eles encontraram uma estrada de terra para o oeste, permitindo-os seguir de uma distância segura, enquanto o Twister se transforma em uma tromba de elefante-cobra.
There's a road just west. There's a road? Yep. Oh! I'll roll your window up, thanks. Just get hit? Woo! There we go.
Right in the back of the ribs.
Oh! Oh! That was right there! Here comes the lightning rod! Alright, here we go! This road will take us down. Alright, oh my gosh.
This is gonna be an insane video.
This is actually...
Especially from my GoPro angle.
Dude, this is freaking... This is actually a top... This is a top 5 tornado intercept of my life.
I'm glad I could be a part of it.
I am not even kidding, bro. This is unfreaking believable. Alright, I'm gonna pull in here, Eli.
Okay.
Freaking just pull in here. Right here, right here, right here. Just a little... Oh, it's scary to get out. I'm getting out. I don't care. I don't care. It's tornado of a lifetime, bro. Like it's struck. It's God's plan.
Enquanto o tornado para, eles têm uma oportunidade rara para aproveitar o tornado de uma vida. Com seus melhores amigos ao seu lado, eles deslumbram juntos esse fenômeno da natureza.
Hey, what's up? Connor! Alright, you're good, bro. You're good.
Dude, what is this thing?
This is maybe...
This is absolutely
this is one of the best
insane.
tornadoes of my life right here.
This is absolutely incredible.
This is incredible.
This is insane, dude.
Look how violent it is.
Yeah, just a little driller. Little freaking driller, bro.
Violent tornado.
Look at the motion in there. Oh, it's drifting back.
This is the best tornado I've ever seen. It's not even close.
Yeah, Connor, this is this ranks up pretty high. This ranks up pretty damn high.
It's about to start hucking hail, Freddie. Be careful.
It is hucking hail. Big hail coming in.
There's hail coming.
I'm getting in. I'm getting in before I die.
Oh, no!
Is it roping?
Oh, okay, it's back.
No, it's still going, bro. Big hail coming in.
Ow, it's got hit in the butt.
The hail's so sporadic, though. I just want to get back out. I just don't want to die. It's like risk.
Dude, look how wide it is at the top.
Dude, it's getting bigger. It's getting stronger. It's actually getting stronger.
Neste momento, o tornado tem uns 1.800 metros de altura. Isso é aproximadamente 2 cliffhangers de Bétula lá.
Oh, look on the ground! Look how violent! It's violent. It's violent on the ground.
Unbelievably violent vortice in the middle there.
Violent on the ground.
Listen to it.
You hear it? I hear it.
Oh my.
It's so loud.
Look at it pulling the rest of the clouds in.
Trees holding on for dear life.
It's coming right at us. Which is okay with me. I wanted to come at us.
Hey, more glass fell.
Oh! Not the hat! Get it, Freddy!
Storm Society hat, bro.
There you go.
Oh! Dude.
I can barely get in the car. Dude, are you kidding me, bro? You kidding me?
Let's do this.
That was. It still is.
This is insane looking.
Dude, look at the pipe! It's piping down. Look at it come down. We are watching a tornado of historic proportions right now. This is one of the best tornadoes. I mean, this is easily tornado of the year. This is insane. I just can't believe this. I can't believe what I'm looking at. I just.
After 2 days in Montana.
I might just go home after those, bro.
Absolutely nothing.
I want to get out, but there's random softballs coming in.
I don't know if you should.
Chat, I don't even know what to say. Chat, I just don't even know what to say at this point.
From an amazing tornado with giant CGs behind it to now a tornado with a rainbow through it. Honestly, I don't even care about that window right now.
Agora o tornado é tão forte, está começando a se separar da supercélula, correndo para o oeste em direção à estrada que eles pensaram em ser segura. Percebendo que eles estão no caminho da tempestade, ele sai correndo da frente e escapa para o norte. Enquanto Connor Croft se move para o sul, não querendo perder uma vez na vida, interceptação de tornado, eles decidiram se manter firmes. Como estava indo em direção deles, eles ficaram em seus postos até onde deu. O tornado deixou para trás uma faixa selvagem em loop, atravessando uma área aberta. Nebraska rural. Não atingindo uma única estrutura ao longo de sua vida útil de 1 hora, em todos os seus anos de perseguição, é seguro para ele dizer, este é o maior tornado que ele já perseguiu. Em 24 de setembro, Madison Clydesdale, criadora de um canal no YouTube. Ela faz viagem e exploração e aventuras no meio das florestas. Nesse vídeo, ela entrou no interior do país da Colômbia Britânica, com apenas seu cachorro, Cairo, ao lado dela. Seu objetivo era simples, mas perturbador: alcançar os destroços de um acidente de avião histórico. Escondido em território pardo, a trilha em si parecia calma o suficiente, mas o silêncio daquelas montanhas carregava um peso que ela não conseguia nomear. Madison começou sua jornada, dirigindo por estradas secundárias acidentadas, empurrando mais fundo no deserto da Colômbia Britânica, como ela explicou seu plano, para alcançar os destroços do avião abandonado.
I wish I brought my day pack, but we're gonna have to work with what we got. And as usual, into grizzly territory we go. I haven't been in grizzly territory by myself basically all summer, so it is always a little bit nerve-wracking at first. This trail actually has a plane crash. It's a memorial trail at the top. It's one of the largest known plane crashes in the area, or maybe in British Columbia. So we're gonna check out the plane crash. Kiro is so full of energy today. I like the quieter trails so that he can go off leash. These look brand new, these side railings. Okay, I'm coming. This was one of the first areas that I went hiking when I first moved to British Columbia. I was with my mom. You guys would have seen her in some of my other videos, but I got really scared. I didn't know enough about bears, so it just got in my head and I started like having a little breakdown on trail. I was just certain that we were gonna see a grizzly. And now look at where we are, almost 3 years later. You guys look. A blueberry. Oh, it's really sour. It's so good. A little burst of energy. Just taking another rest. We've got less than a kilometer left until the top. I could fall asleep right here. I'm wearing new hiking shoes and I didn't pre-tape. I always pre-tape my heels. And it's starting to get a little blister, so I'm just gonna do a little first aid on it.
A solidão ficou mais clara a cada milha. lembrando-a exatamente o quão longe ela estava da segurança. Ainda o silêncio das montanhas parecia o começo de algo mais pesado. Quando ela finalmente pisou na trilha, Madison e Cairo mudaram-se para a floresta densa, e ela admitiu o medo que carregava, caminhando sozinho em território pardo. Ela manteve a voz firme, fazendo barulho, para evitar surpreender qualquer coisa que viveu lá, mas quanto mais fundo ela escalava, quanto mais o medo começou a se sentir justificado, como a elevação subiu, assim como a tensão, graus íngremes e longos trechos de trilha, drenou sua resistência, forçando-a a desacelerar e respirar. Através do peso da subida, ela continuou sabendo que o destroços estava em algum lugar acima. Ainda a montanha parecia decidida a lembrá-la, que ela estava sendo observada por mais do que as árvores.
We made it, and I'm a little sad I didn't bring my camping stuff because there's no one up here. There were some people at the monument when I first got here, but they cleared out, and now there's nobody else up here. It is like a playground, an outdoor playground. I could just run through the rock hills. Kira doesn't want to run with me though because he's tired. But I will say, I feel 100% comfortable right now. As soon as it gets dark, there's a memorial right there. I am going to start hearing ghost noises. I already feel like it's weird to like smile and like it's like a place of rest. I don't know. Is it disrespectful to camp here? There are some tent pads, which I caught the camera. Anyways, there are some tent pads, but we have to get the heck out of here. It's been like 4 hours since I started this hike. No, probably almost 5 hours. And it's about 2 hours down, and it's gonna get dark in 3. So, and there's no one else on this trail now. There it is, the remains of the plane. The propeller there. R.I.P. Grandpa, it would have been nice to have known you. Grandma always thought of you. That's sweet. Kiro. There's a little stream for him here. Got this mountain range on one side, this mountain range on the other. This place is really amazing, and it's just all rock. Just love being out here. Oh my gosh, makes me so happy.
A floresta se abriu para os restos que ela veio buscar. Pedaços de metal espalhados, ainda descansando onde a tragédia a atingiu décadas antes. Madison estava entre eles, tendo tempo para refletir em silêncio. Não havia palavras, apenas a presença do que restava, e no alto daquele cume, a quietude carregava seu próprio tipo de memória. Com a luz do dia escapando, ela começou sua descida, decidindo que era mais seguro deixar a montanha. Antes do anoitecer, ela mencionou preocupações sobre sua câmera, então procurou um lugar para acampar, que não era conhecido pela atividade noturna do urso. Eventualmente, ela encontrou um lugar e se estabeleceu, terminando um dia marcado pela exaustão, cautela e reflexão silenciosa. Alguns espectadores observou que o comportamento do Cairo durante a descida, reações semelhantes que os cães têm ao sentir a vida selvagem próxima, especialmente em regiões cinzentas. Outros apontaram como locais remotos de acidentes. Muitas vezes mantém uma quietude incomum, deixando em aberto a questão de o que realmente permanece em lugares moldados pela tragédia. Se ela tivesse ficado mais tempo naquele cume, sozinha com luz fraca e uma floresta silenciosa, a noite teria se desenrolado da mesma maneira. Ou ela saiu momentos antes que algo acontecesse,